This is a demonstration of a 2D, 3D integrated application. On the left side, we have a 2D GIS map using GeoSync GO Plus. We can see we have our county map. We have GIS features. We could have access to all of our GIS data. On the right side, we have our 3D framework. In this case, we have Fayette County. The focus of this is the University of Kentucky campus, which is here near the center. But our framework is really made up of GIS data that has been published as to our framework. We have parcels, roads, center lines, and flood plain information from FEMA. But we can look at this data, move it around in a 3D world, look at it from different perspectives. These two views have been synchronized. As an example, if we just set a location here on the map, then our map will immediately move to that location, and we can then look at that from our 3D framework. Will recenter itself just by clicking on the map. It will center us to that particular location very quickly, and we can look at our data. But let's go in and look a little bit closer to the University of Kentucky campus, because we actually have some LiDAR here. We're at the football stadium. We just set a marker there that puts us right inside the football stadium, and we can look at that with our from the 3D perspective. In this case, we're looking at it from LiDAR data that's available. Let's maneuver ourselves around to another location here near the University of Kentucky Hospital, and we can get a pretty good view of these buildings, and then we can navigate ourselves along Rose Street near to the chemistry physics building on the University of Kentucky campus. In this case, there's a number of scans that have been done using Faro scanner. We click on any of these markers, this will immediately take us to that scan location, and then on the right we can our viewpoint is set where it's easy for us just to explore that location. Well, this is right at the front door. We can look at the main entrance from right here, so it's very easy to navigate and access information. We can move to the other end of the building and look at the other entrance just by selecting, and then this will navigate us to that other entrance and access the scan data. Certainly, if we're patient, it'll fill in, and depending on the density of the scan. Back over here on our, if we want to maneuver around, we can select on any location on the map, and then again recenter the 3D view. So our framework would allow us to add whatever types of data we want, whether that was from a drone or a static scan, or from LiDAR, or from a mobile scan. Whatever data that we have in the 3D world, then we can synchronize these two together, which provides almost immediate access, easy access to information.